Video we will make crystal beaded earrings. We will use 4mm of roundel beads or round crystal beads, and Miyuki 11O seed beads, Miyuki 8O seed beads, and beading nylon thread of 0.2mm. I think we will use 100 centimeter of length, and Miyuki beading needle. So I forgot, ear hook and jump rings. Jump rings are optional. Okay, can attach the ear hook directly to this 8O seed beads. Okay, and then let's start. So we will need 100 centimeters of beading thread. Beading thread, and we will pick, I'll set aside this. Pick 611 seed beads. 5, 6. Oh, I don't like this one. 1, 2, 6. Then we will make a loop, and we will pass the needle again to the first seed beads, and we will knot them. We will knot them 2 to 3 times. I will make it 4 to 3 times. I'm scared. And you are exiting from here, and we will pass the needle to this 2 seed beads. Okay, and we will pick 1 crystal beads and 111O, 1 crystal beads, 111O, and 1 crystal bead. I'm exiting from this 11O seed beads, and I will go back to the opposite side of exiting thread, and I will pass the needle to these 2 11O seed beads. Like this. And then the next step is pick crystal beads, 111O, 1 crystal beads, and 111O. I'm exiting here, this 11O, and I will insert the needle to these crystal beads, and then to these 2 beads, like this, and pull it like that, and pick again crystal beads, 111O, crystal beads, and 111O, and again we will pass the needle to this crystal and to these 2 11O seed beads. Okay, and hold your tail thread like this, and continue. 1 crystal bead, 111O, 1 crystal bead, and 111. I'll insert the needle to these crystal beads and pass through to these 211 seed beads. Now we'll pick again 1 crystal bead, 111, 1 crystal beads, and 111. And I will pass the needle to these crystal beads and to the next 2 beads here. These 2 beads, 11 seed beads. Okay, and I'll pull the thread, and then we are exiting here right now. And then I will go up to this crystal beads and exit the needle exit the beading thread. And then the next step is pick 111, pick 111, and then crystal. Sorry, I can't hold much better. And 111, 1 crystal beads, and 111. I'm exiting here right now to this crystal beads, and I will enter the needle to this crystal beads, and then to this 111 seed beads, this one. Okay, put it down, and I will go up to this is the beads that we attach, and when I pull it like this, and I will go up here to these crystal beads and to the next 11 seed beads. This 11 seed beads only. Okay, and pull the needle and thread, and I'm exiting here right now, this 11 seed beads. And the next step is we will pick 4 11 seed beads, and I'm exiting here right now, and I will go back to this 2 11 seed beads. I'm exiting here, and I will go back to these 2 11 seed beads. Okay, like this. We're making like some kind of a flower, and I'm exiting here the same beads that we're exiting lately, and I will pass the needle to these crystal beads and to the next 2 11 seed beads, and repeat the process. And we will pick again. Oh my gosh, my beading thread is going crazy. And then pick again 1 2 3 4 11 seed beads, and I will go back to these 2 beads and pass the needle to these crystal beads like this. Okay, and then pull the needle and thread, so like this. We will make the same process all the way around. Now you can cut the tail thread, we don't use them anymore. And then pick 4 1 2 3 4, and like this. So pass the needle to these 2 beads and the next crystal beads, and then pick 4 11 seed beads. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't need to pass the needle to the crystal beads. I mean, only these two 11 seed beads, and then here, and this time we will pass the needle to the crystal beads. Okay, sorry, I made mistakes sometimes. And pass the needle to these two 11 seed beads, and 1 2 3 4 11 seed beads. Go pass to these 3 beads, and then pass to these 2 beads, and pick 4. 1 2 3 4. Oh, sorry, I don't like this one. And we will exit to this, to the last seed bead. And the next step is, oh my god, my thread. I will hold this like this, and I will go up to this 2 seed beads, and we will make the next step, and pick 1/8 and go here and pass the needle to this crystal bead, 11 seed beads and crystal beads, like this. And I will go up to these 2 11 seed beads, like this, and pick 1/8 and pass the needle to these next to 11 seed beads until these crystal beads, and we will make it all the way around. This need some pull to make it more nice and clean, and pick 8 seed beads, and I will make the other unit. And then go up here, pick 8 and insert the needle to these 2 11 seed beads and crystal beads, and then we will reinforce them to go to finishing part of this part. We'll make some knot again. Oh, I'm sorry. I will knot it half hinged and cut the thread. This one, and make one more without 8 seed beads, and we will attach them. So I'm exiting here, go up to these 2 11/0 seed beads and pass the needle to this 8/0 seed bead. Seed bead and pass the needle to the top of the 11/0 seed beads and pass the needle to these crystal beads and go up to these 2 11/0 seed beads and pass the needle to these 8/0 seed beads and to the top of 11/0 and crystal beads, and we'll make it all the way around. It's like on zigzag stitch. Up here, 8/0 seed beads and 2 11/0 seed beads, crystal beads and 2 11/0 seed beads. Seed beads, 2 11/0 seed beads, crystal beads and 2 11/0 seed beads. 8/0 beads, 8/0 seed beads, 2 11/0 seed beads, crystal beads and these 2 11/0 seed beads. Pass the 8/0 seed beads and go up to these 11/0 seed beads, crystal beads and we'll secure them, reinforce them. Time. Make a knot. One more time. Make a knot here. And cut the thread. And done. Isn't it cute? Then we will attach the jump rings and jump ring and ear hook to these 8/0. I think the jump ring is not good enough, but it's okay. So it's done. This is our project for today. So if you like my videos, please check the like button, and if you are interested to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.